Super Bowl treat for everyone. This I guarantee everyone will love. It is a pizza dip.
Are those crackers?
Yes, those are crackers. But
okay.
We have so much to do. You don't have much time to eat. No. Okay, start here with the first layer.
Oh,
It's called
wonderful.
Thank you. Base layer. So
great.
you want to do this for me, or
Yeah, what do you want me to do?
Okay, so I want you to put 8 ounces of cream cheese in there. That's that. All right, 8 ounces of that in there to start.
You know I got the lactose, right?
Well, just don't eat it then.
Okay.
Then you'll be fine.
All right.
This is, and then we've got sour cream, which is about 3/4 of a cup of sour cream.
Okay.
And then, so get that in there.
Yeah, it's in.
And then we're going to be putting in kind of some seasoning so that this tastes like a pizza cheese. So we're going to put in some garlic salt, which is this one. Put that in there.
See, this is great.
I've got it all measured for you.
You pre-measured this all out.
I sure did.
To create less problems.
Half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil. So that's the basil, right?
Yeah.
And then a little pinch of red pepper flakes. Okay, you can put it all in there. You can put it. I tried to limit it enough so we didn't get overly spicy. But
Okay.
yeah, so you're going to stir that up.
Thank you.
So you start that up. Can you do it?
I'm
It's been sitting out. It shouldn't be that bad.
Why is it so difficult to stir?
Here, try that. Try that.
Oh,
I'll give you a different
all right.
spoon. How about that?
Okay.
Is that better?
It's wonderful.
Just do it. Just put some welly in there.
I don't want to mess it up.
You're not going to mess it up.
Okay.
There's no messing that up.
All right.
Not one bit of mess up. That's great. That is great. So yeah, I could get the mixer. Do you want the mixer? Or it's not that bad.
This cheese
It's
is
not
making
that
me
bad.
angry.
Oh, see, some people get their emotions out in the kitchen. Maybe that's you.
Does it have to be all smooth?
I'd like it to be,
This
but
is never going
it's
to
for
happen
TV.
in TV time.
Okay, give it to me. Okay, so basically you're getting this all smooth. We will get it smooth. And we're going to put it in. I've got this pan here. But I want to tell you, you can put it in individual ramekins like this.
Yes.
Or you can put it in, I have a decorative this, which is really nice. I got it at a thrift store, really nice. But you're going to take this and then put this in this pan here. Can you do that?
Yes.
Just spread it in there.
Do it
I'm gonna
now?
give that to you. Yeah,
Even though
I'm
it's
gonna
not
give that to you.
smooth?
That's okay.
Okay.
It's TV. It's pretend it's smooth for TV.
Okay, it's so lumpy.
That's okay. And we're going to bake it, so it'll get less lumpy.
All right.
It's going to get less lumpy.
All right.
All right. So we'll just kind of make sure it's on the pan. Just spread it
I
through.
can do
so
this.
it's on the pan.
I can do this. There. Squish it.
Squish it
Yeah,
down.
I got
Squish it down. All right. So after you've done that, after you've got squid, we're going to do a layer of marinara on top of it.
Yeah.
All right. So put a layer on there, just nicely.
Yep.
And then we're going to just spread it all out there so there's red everywhere.
Yep.
Okay. Then we're going to put a layer of shredded mozzarella on there.
Shredded mozzarella.
I'll just help you out
So
with
you
that.
want cheese on top of cheese.
This is like, this is the best snack that you're ever going to have. Okay, and then
You have to take a pill.
more cheese. We really recommend you take the pill all the don't mix it.
Oh, I'm not mixing.
Stop mixing.
I thought we were mixing.
No, it's layers. Oh, it's
I don't know what's
messed up
happening.
forever now.
I don't know
All right.
what's happening.
So then we're taking actual mozzarella that's not shredded and just placing it on.
We're putting
there.
mozzarella on top of mozzarella.
Yes, you are. There you go. That's that.
Okay.
And then we're going to put a little bit of Parmesan.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're going to put a little bit
more
more
cheese.
basil.
Yes. Okay.
And then finally, I'm going to put just a little bit of pizza kind of seasoning
Yeah.
right on top of that. And then if you want, you can put a little bit of salt. That thing's going to go in the oven.
In
Put
the
it in
oven.
the oven. Put it in the oven.
Here we go.
Yep.
In the oven.
Put it in the oven. And you're going to use either little bits of bread or crackers, and you are going to have a dip.
How long am I putting this in for?
That's going to be 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. But because it's the magic of TV, we have one right here for
look
you
at that.
to try. So there it is. I promise you that everyone's going to love it. It's a perfect Super Bowl sort of thing. You can try some.
I didn't take my pill.
Uh-oh.
You still have to be around me for another 45 minutes.
I didn't plan this well at
Oh
all.
boy.
All right.
Oh wow. Oh, that's really good.
Right?
Wow. Maybe
Up
another
next
piece.
on the 9, we're celebrating Go Red for Women and sharing the steps how you can save a life.
The 9 is back, and this is good.
Really good. I'll put that on our Facebook page too so you can see all of the ingredients.
So much cheese.
All right, don't go away.
GDM 360 connects the dots, building one seamless strategy to find